Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ally Invest brokerage account, secure guide step by step clearly. To start logging into your Ally Invest brokerage account, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Ally Invest. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to be redirected to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your account credentials. Begin by typing your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly by checking for any typographical errors. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to receive a verification code. After receiving the code, enter it in the provided verification box. Once you've completed all fields, click the Login button. Take a moment to review your account information on the dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, check your internet connection. If you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. After successfully logging in, you can explore your account features and tools. Always remember to log out of your account when you are finished. This helps ensure your account remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.